Welcome guys, today we have a Lenovo laptop for repair and the board is this one. It's a 7th generation board and the model number is NM-B421. It's i3 7th generation processor. Okay, and the problem is nothing is happening when we connect the power cable. It's a C-type DC jack. So let's try to repair this board and let's find out what is the problem, whether we'll be able to repair this board or not. So let's get started. So guys, first we will demonstrate you whether it is working or not from the DC power supply. Here we have a C-type power cable and we have kept it DC on 19 volts, and you can see here after connecting what's happening. Usually when we connect, the light glows, or when we press the power button the light should glow. So here you can see nothing happens, there is no rise in ampere. Okay, that means nothing is coming inside. So first thing what we do is we will do the cold testing of this board and then we will start measuring the voltages. In this board heavily we need to rely on a schematic. So we already have a schematic here and the board view as well. So luckily we have a schematic as well as board view. So we can do a repair with ease. So let's get started. First we will do cold testing and then we will inject the voltage and test it. So we will start from this C-type DC jack. We will check some capacitors. No shorting, no shorting. Okay, so till here there is no short. Okay, here you can see there is a beep on the cap. So I am sure here there is a shorting. So this cap is beeping. We need to check it out whether PL301 is related to this this RAM or something else, or maybe this cap is related to 19 volts line or not. It is PL301, or we can see PQ301. PQ301. So nearby this cap is there. So we need to check it out on the board view. PQ301. Okay, here is the PQ301. PQ301. Okay, so this PQ301 is attached to this MOSFET. PC303 is the number. We will search it on a schematic. PC303. PC303. Okay guys, as you can see, this PC303 is connected to B plus. That means the B plus line is having some trouble. So this is confirmed now. Now we will check it out other places if there is any shorting. Here as well on this PU202, as you can see there is a beep sound. PL201 and PL202, this must be 5 volts and 3 volts coils. We will check it out, and both are beeping. The coil is not beeping, but there is a cap nearby the IC which is beeping. So let's check it out on the schematic. It's PL201. Yes, it's a 3 volts always coil, and then PL202. So we'll type PL202. PL202 is a 5 volt always, and PL201 is a 3 volt always. That means these two coils are 3.3 5 volts coils, and the main 19 volt line is short. Let's remove the jumpers from here, and we will inject the voltage. We will first categorize the area so that we exactly will find where is the short, and then we will do the further process. So guys, we have removed the jumpers from 4 places, and now we will check it out. What we have done is we have shortened the connection between the different sections, so that it will be easier to find the shortings. Okay, now we will find out where is the short. So as you can see, earlier this cap was beeping, and now there is no beep. This is the ground, and here there is no beep. The shorting has gone from this place. Now you can see the value is coming, there is no shorting in this coil. Okay, and here, okay, here the short is there. From the ground if I check, so here you can see there is a shorting. That means PL202, PU202 IC, maybe there is a issue. Okay, here also we have removed the jumper. Here also we will test it once. You can see this cap also is not beeping now. That means I am sure the shorting is on this area only, and I am doubtful about this PU202, that is PU202, 202. It's a 3 volt always IC. So let's remove this IC, and then we will check it out once again whether the shorting goes or not. As you can see here, and now we will check it out. Okay, after removing the IC as well, the shorting is there. That means there is an issue with the cap. So let's remove this cap, and then we will check it out. If that doesn't go, then we will inject the voltage here. The IC might be okay. The cap has been removed. Okay, the short is elsewhere. Now we will inject the voltage here and then we will test it. So here we have plugged the ground to one of the corners of the board which is connected with the DC, and now we are connecting the positive line to the cap which we have removed it, the main side of the cap. Okay, and now we will inject the low voltage. So you can see we have kept the DC on only 0.05 and it is taking 0.53 amp. That means something is heating heavily. So let's check it out. What is heating? No heat. Let me increase the voltage. Okay, 1.5 volt. At 1.5 it is taking 1.75 ampere. Let's see. Still I have not found it. Let's increase little more. 2 volt. Okay, we got it. So at the 2.5 volts it is taking 3.3 amp and this cap is heating. This cap you can see nearby PJ701 is heating, and if we check it out in the schematic, it is nearby PJ701. Let's check it out in board view. It is PJ701. PJ701. Okay, so nearby this this is the cap PC703. So here it's related to processor 1 volt always. So let's remove this and put back other caps and this cap as well, and then we will check it out. Okay, first after removing the cap we will check the shorting. Let's remove the wire first. So we have removed the cap. Now let's measure quickly. So we were getting shorting here. Now you can see the shorting has gone. The value has come. That means we have cleared the shorting. Now the shorting is nowhere. Now let's quickly put all the things back and then we will check it out. So okay guys, we have done the soldering. We have placed this IC and we have placed the caps wherever we have removed the caps. So this was the cap which was shorted. Now we have replaced it. Now let's put the power button. The power button is there on this daughter board here, and we will put it along with the board. Okay, and I'll show you the shorting, everything is gone. So you can see we have removed these caps earlier. There is no shorting. You can see there is a value. Here also there is no shorting. The value is coming. and here as well there is no shorting. Okay, no shorting. So no shorting, value is coming. That means the shorting has gone from the board. Now let's plug the power and check it out. So we already have a C-type connected, and now we will check it out. So as you can see guys, it has taken the voltage as well as ampere, and the board is on, processor is heating, and you can see the light also is glowing. So hopefully the display also will come. We will check it out. Okay guys, so we have connected all the things, and now we will plug the power again. So the fan is spinning, hopefully the display will come. The ampere it is taking 0.37. Now it has restarted. Okay guys, so the display has come and the board is ready. So guys, this is how we repair the boards at our shop. If you want to get training or if you want to get repair, contact us on the given details on my website, which is there on the banner of my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.